Praying the Rosary has been a tradition in the Church for a long time. Catholics pray the Rosary because it is a powerful prayer to God through His Mother Mary. In this video, we compiled a list of 5 reasons why you should pray the Rosary. Also, in this video, we will have a special guest from Rosa Mystica's YouTube channel, so make sure to check out her channel after this video. Number 1. It's an opportunity to reflect on the Gospel mysteries. When praying the Rosary, we are invited to reflect on the joyful, sorrowful, glorious, and luminous mysteries revealed in the Gospels. By reflecting on these stories from the Gospels, we not only increase our understanding of the life and ministry of Jesus, but we also discover how God is calling us to live our own lives.
Number 2. Mary remains forever mediatrix between heaven and us. It was through the Immaculate Virgin that God gave Jesus to us, and the decree of His mercy remains without change throughout the centuries. We continue receiving the Son through the Mother. Mary remains forever all-powerful mediatrix between heaven and us. Holy Church teaches that she remains always and for everyone the channel through which pass the graces of salvation, that there is nothing which we cannot obtain through her intercession. It is impossible, St. Alphonsus assures us, that a true servant of Mary should lose his soul forever.
Number 3. It brings victory in battle. The Rosary is a powerful weapon amid both spiritual warfare and worldly battles. In 1571, Pope Pius V organized a group of Christian forces known as the Holy League in defense of an imminent invasion by the Ottoman Empire. Before a battle with the Ottoman fleet in the Gulf of Patras in the Ionian Sea, the Pope called on all of the Europe to pray the Rosary for victory. These prayers were answered, with the Holy League defeating the much larger Ottoman forces on October 7 at the Battle of Lepanto. To commemorate the victory, Pope Pius V established the feast day of Our Lady of Lepanto, also known as Our Lady of Victory or Our Lady of the Rosary.
Number 4. Mary can help us to better know her Son, Jesus Christ. Because Mary is our mother, intimately united to Jesus, who by his death bestowed upon us the life of grace, Mary, her heart being pierced through with pain, gave birth to us through her suffering on Calvary. And our Lord declared it solemnly from his cross when he spoke to St. John, who represented all the faithful, "Behold thy mother." However, at the very first moment of the Incarnation, Mary had agreed to be our mother, having accepted to be the mother of Christ, who, as head of this humanity which he came to regenerate, she also accepted by this very fact to become the mother of all those living the supernatural life by being united with Jesus Christ.
Number 5. Those who pray the Rosary are promised graces and indulgences. Alan de la Roche, a 15th century Dominican priest, was visited by the Blessed Virgin Mary, who gave 15 promises to Christians who prayed the Rosary. These include the assurance of receiving the sacraments at the time of death, never being conquered by misfortune, and her own special protection. Additionally, those who pray the Rosary often receive plenary indulgences, the remission of the temporal punishment due to sin. During the year of Saint Joseph, Pope Francis announced ways to gain an indulgence, several of which involves praying the Rosary. We can bring God to the forefront of our lives by praying the Rosary and allowing God to speak to us. The Rosary is a powerful tool for assisting the faithful in comprehending and living the mysteries of the Gospel. And that concludes this video. I hope you recall why we pray the Rosary. Don't forget to subscribe to both our channel and Maria's channel called Rosa Mystica. We'll catch up with you in the next video.